Well, hello. I am a professional 2D/user interface artist, and when I started out 5 years ago working, and even still today, there is a void of information about this particular line of work, so I'm here to share some of my knowledge. And we will start this with an wireframing. Preferably actually you would do some mood boarding and idea searching first, but I'm gonna skip it for now. I'll just see what I'll come up with. I'll make the frame 540 and 960 height. I'm gonna name this 000. I'll make the corners 50 and I'll add a stroke to it. And this, well, maybe let's make it 2. And I will use this to kind of prototype first the wireframing using very simple shapes and simple look. Now the first thing is to think about the idea and what do you need in the game. Like, you need a goal. Otherwise, what's the point? Right now I'm thinking that I will make something RPG themed. In general, the mobile phones have some notches here, and they might have some notches down here. So you need to take that into account while you're designing. Like there in iPhones there is some scrolling notch roughly around here, and sometimes this area you cannot use because there are people put notches there. Everything's nice. I'm gonna frame it. Then let's say that I want an inventory. I'm gonna make a lot of rectangles. First screen, maybe it's a loading screen. Let's make it a loading. Okay, let's beautify the module. For example, this. But of course we can make the background darker, it's just nicer to look at. Most usually the RPG themes are a bit darker and brownish. It's cool right now, like this, very simply. Simple is the best. We can like put some textures behind this later, or we can redesign this whole window. Depending on what kind of game engine you're using, if you can use multiply modes or not, then you would either change this to normal mode and then change the color to match this same image. And then you have the same vibe without the multiply mode. If you make an item the component, then you're able to like put this content as a property, and you're able to, when you click on this, you're able to change the text here. Look, well, we can see now it has some issues with the text, the alignment is a bit wrong. It should be in the middle. For the button we have the regular form, but you can also make a copy of the variant and make a different version of it. Like that. Easy, right? You can make the pressed one darker as well. Then you can actually see the difference. And then you'd have to set up the interactions. There are like the while hovering, while pressing states. Well, let's check it out. Yeah. Now it's all the states are working. Let's make this also a component. It could be like you don't have like endless amount of inventory space, so these would be empty spaces you have left. But if you would have endless amount, then you would not add them here. Okay, so let's move here. Let's put our ribbon here and let's name it daily rewards. Alright, so after spending some more time with it, like 2 days probably, on and off. Only this screen I haven't finished yet, and this screen is also very not quite there yet. I feel like it's the style went a little bit off right now from the other screens. And this is how it looks like. This is the basic character view with an inventory on it. And like if you look at the main screen, this is the inventory. You can go only to inventory. And when you click on the item slot, then you have the option to sell it and unequip it if it's in your hand, or if it's in an inventory. Oh, I put some shortcuts here to the rewards and stuff. Anyways, the rewards are claimable. You can close it, and then you have the item. I have changed up the buttons because I wanted this to be slightly less cartoonish. The buttons are not over the top, and I feel it's a bit calmer now. But yeah, overall this is how it looks like. I still have the claiming the chest. Here you have the prices. That's it for now. I hope you like it. I got off like a lot of the ending part because I felt it was getting too long. But I hope you guys liked the video anyways, and maybe you got something interesting out of it, or just motivating you. Okay, but bye guys.